in fact, we have seen in this project that sometimes there is not a gap, but different views between the choreographer, the director, the dancer, from an artistic point of view, on the other side, from the engineer point of view, or from the technical point of view. And the objective here is to not only front the views, but also to develop the best solution from the technological side at the service of the performer, in order to help them to better use the technology in their creation. So Gwendaline is an XR choreographer. I mean that she uses virtual reality or extended reality in her own creation. The objective is to video record a performance and to transfer the content of this video record in the virtual world with avatar. And after, by using some morphing techniques, you can modify the shape or the structure of the avatar, for example, in this case, from human to animals. And in such a project, here at Saint-Étienne, in our team, we video record with different technologies the performance, and we we model the structure, the shape of the dancer in a virtual world through what we name a meshing model. The collaboration with Gwendaline was done in our office. Why? Because we have some facilities in order to capture in 3D, I mean according different point of view, a performance. On here at Saint-Étienne, and especially in the Laboratoire Hubert Curien, we have such a knowledge, but also such facilities, not only in terms of video recording equipment, but in terms also of artificial intelligence-based modeling. In the framework of the premier project, we host here at Saint-Étienne the third general meetings of the consortium with all different representatives of the different partner institutions, and we organize in parallel a thematic roundtable which involves both performers, choreographers, but also from the other side, some people from the technical or engineering or artificial intelligence community. So the objective was to put all these people in the same discussion, in the same exchange.